From NeuroBlock, we are excited to announce the launch of the latest versions of our Datablock Collector extension and the data selling platform. These new versions are faster and more user-friendly than their predecessors. For those unfamiliar with us, NeuroBlock is an innovative ecosystem designed to democratize the internet data economy. We empower users by providing autonomy over the data they generate while browsing the web. Simultaneously, we offer small and medium-sized businesses access to this data through our NeuroAI business intelligence tools. In this video, we'll explore how the Datablock Collector and the data selling platform function, and how you can earn money simply by surfing the internet as you normally would. Let's dive into how these tools work. First, let's discuss our Chrome extension, the Datablock Collector. It anonymously collects web browsing data such as visited web pages, duration of visits, time of day these pages are visited, and approximate location. This data is fully anonymized. In fact, we don't require traditional user registration with email and password. Instead, we use MetaMask, the most trusted and widely used cryptocurrency wallet in the blockchain ecosystem, enabling completely anonymous login. To begin collecting and selling your internet browsing data, install the MetaMask wallet extension from the Chrome Web Store and create a new wallet or import an existing one. The setup process is straightforward, but for more information, click on Read More here. After setting up your MetaMask wallet, download our Datablock Collector extension from the Chrome Web Store. This will allow you to collect your browsing data. Next, click on Connect with MetaMask. You may need to visit our website first. If so, continue the process by clicking on Connect with MetaMask and following the verification steps in MetaMask. Once connected, open the Datablock Collector again and click on Start Collecting Data. Accept the terms, and you're ready to go. Now, you're collecting your browsing data. After about 30 minutes of web browsing, you'll have accumulated enough data to begin selling. To sell your data and earn cryptocurrency, navigate to the data selling platform, also known as the user dashboard. We maintain privacy by not requiring email or phone registration. Simply log in using your MetaMask wallet and follow the intuitive verification steps. Once logged in, you can download your internet browsing data, delete it, or sell it to the NeuroBlock ecosystem in exchange for NBK Tokens, our native cryptocurrency. These data are used to train our AI models and conduct market research studies through our NeuroAI business intelligence tools. Please note that we are currently in our beta phase, so the tokens you receive are test tokens named Test NBK. These tokens are deployed on the Amoy testnet. You can easily add the Amoy testnet to MetaMask by simply clicking on Add Amoy and then Connect to Amoy. This will automatically connect your MetaMask wallet to Amoy, although you can always do it manually. Once you have completed the connection steps, you will be able to import the Test NBK contract address. Make sure you are on the Amoy testnet. Now you can see all your Test NBK rewards in your MetaMask wallet. In a few months, we will launch an airdrop converting these Test NBK tokens into real NBK tokens, which will have market value and can be exchanged for Bitcoin, USDT, or other cryptocurrencies.